Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do some hairstyles that are great for the summertime and are great if you're feeling kind of lazy, because I don't know about you, but I live in Florida. It's literally so hot and humid and I cannot. But I thought that I'd share some of these hairstyles with you just because they are so easy and they really help keep you cool throughout those hot summer days. So let's go ahead and get started. So I always like to refresh my curls before I get started with any hairstyle, just so my curls are still popping and looking good, even when they're put up in a pony or whatever. So what I do is I go ahead and take my water bottle, which I have upgraded. This is much better than my little squirter that I had because my little finger would be stressed out every time I refresh my curls. But anyway, you're gonna go ahead and spray the water all over your hair and just kind of get those curls to come alive. So I just do it a few times, just so it's easier to work with the curls. But since it's going up, I don't really need to refresh them too much. Okay, go ahead and put your leave-in conditioner in, which still using that Fertis leave-in conditioner. It's great. So we'll just rub that through. This will help the hair kind of to just stay moisturized while you have it up. All right. Okay. So for our first hairstyle, it's gonna be a pineapple, one of my favorite hairstyles. Super easy, super quick. Literally, I do this hairstyle so much. But what you do is you take your handy dandy hair tie and put your hair all on the crown of your head. And I like to wrap mine twice just so it's a little more secure. Excuse me. But basically, that's the pineapple. Like, you can kind of style it how you want. Sometimes I like to pin these up a little bit, make it look like I have cute little curly bangs with my pineapple, split it to the side. It really just like depends on what you're trying to do. But yeah, that's the first hairstyle. Super easy, like I said. And as my hair starts to like dry, because I did just like refresh my curls, as it starts to dry, I'll come up more and they'll be a little bit more bouncy and light looking. But yeah, there you have it for the first hairstyle. So the next hairstyle I do is pretty easy too. It's just a giant bun. So again, you're gonna go to the top of your head just like you did with the pineapple. And I pass through once, and on the second time, I bring my hair up just so a little bit of the curls are still hanging out, and I kind of fluff up the bun. And here, you can really do whatever you want with this hairstyle. Like, I like to leave out lots of little curls because I think it makes it look cuter. But yeah, so this is just like a giant bun that I do, and then you can go in and like bring out some baby hairs if you want or whatever, and kind of just like style it however you feel like it. But this is a super easy hairstyle, and I do the bun a lot. But it's super easy to do with like if you're gonna go to the gym or something. Like, I just throw it up in a bun and it still looks cute. Or even like bringing out down the curls on the side and like doing the baby hairs, that makes it a little bit more elegant looking, so it's still super cool for you to have like off your neck, but you can make it cute and work with any outfit. All right, so for the third hairstyle, you're going to part your hair halfway, and I just kind of do a messy part. It doesn't really have to be cute or anything, just because, you know, this is just a quick little hairstyle. And you're gonna split your hair into two. So here it's gonna be a twist bun. So I'm gonna take my hair and really just like twist it down all the way to the bottom, and it doesn't have to be perfect or anything. You're just twisting your hair down. Okay, and then for right here, I like to put in a ponytail just so it kind of holds this while I work on the other side. Okay, and then you're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. So twist it down all the way to the bottom of your neck. All right. And then take this ponytail that I have wrapped around so many times. Why did I do that? I don't know. Okay, and you're gonna just make sure these are tight again. And then put this in a bun in the back. Well, in a ponytail, I guess. You wouldn't in a ponytail. Just like that. And then what I like to do is take this ponytail and flip it and kind of tuck it into this, like each twist that I have back here. So it makes it look more like a bun. And if you need to, you can go in and put bobby pins, which I would do if I were going out right now, just so it kind of stays firm back there. But yeah, so that is my little twisty bun, twist low bun hairstyle that I like to do as well. So, and again, you can pull these curls down, make it a little bit more elegant, just kind of, you know, doing whatever you want to do to style it and make it a little extra. So the next hairstyle is literally the easiest hairstyle you can do. It's simply a ponytail pulled back. So what I like to do is kind of like unevenly separate my hair and then smooth it down some, but not too smooth, and just pull my hair straight back into a ponytail. And then that's basically it. So I like to have kind of a smooth look going on, but not too smooth, because then it just looks like I tried too hard. And these are lazy hairstyles, so yep, basically it's just a pulled back pony. It keeps it out of your face and really easy, and it's still a cute hairstyle. So there you have it. Okay, so the final hairstyle is just as easy as the ponytail. Again, you separate your hair, pull it back, and with this one you can do whichever you prefer. I typically like to do a side bun a lot, so I'll put it off to the side and you just do a cute little bun here. And this is what I like to go with, is the side bun, and then I'll pull curls out down here to make it look a little bit cuter. And that's what I'll go with. Or you can do a bun that is straight back, so just like the ponytail, and then you'll just do a straight back bun, and there you have it. And you can like put some curls out, make it look a little bit more messy back here, just on your liking. But yep, there you have it. So those are just a few of the curly hairstyles for like the summertime that I like to do. They're certainly lazy. They keep the hair off the neck and keep you nice and cool. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you never want to miss a curly hairstyle video, go ahead and put on the push notifications. But thank you for watching today's video, and until next time.